When installing the CathPack, it's nice if you have some kind of chip clip or something, even a hair clip, to hold this in place. Keep it from falling while you tie. So you don't want it to be too far up because it's not going to be underneath the chair enough. So if you can tuck it somehow underneath, and each wheelchair is going to have a different setup and different pieces to it. But anywhere that you can wrap, where you know it's going to be kind of tucked like that, you can wrap a few times. You can do once. Wrap here. And do the same thing on this side. They come back here. You're gonna thread it through, not this one, but you're gonna come to the back strap. So not the crossbars, but this back bar right here. And what I like to do is come around like this, down like this, and back up, and tie it there. And that's gonna keep it at the angle that you want it at. Same thing on this side. So you're gonna come around here, around the bottom, and back up. Okay? Got your clip on. It's ready to go.